Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate HubSpot landing pages for lead capture UX, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your HubSpot account and log in to the dashboard. Navigate to the Marketing tab located in the main navigation menu. Scroll down and select the Landing Pages option from the drop-down. Click on the Create Landing Page button to start a new page. Choose a template that fits your marketing goals. Once the template is loaded, customize the page title to reflect the purpose of your landing page. Edit the main content area by adding relevant text, images, and any other media that aligns with your campaign. In the right sidebar, locate the Form section and click to add a form for lead capture. If you don't have a form created yet, select the option to create a new form. Follow the prompts to set up the form fields according to the information you want to collect. After creating your form, return to the landing page and link the form to your content. Ensure all checkbox options, like GDPR compliance, are enabled if required. Next, adjust the call to action button to make it enticing for users. Customize the button text to clearly indicate what action you want visitors to take. Review all elements on the page to ensure they are visually appealing and well organized. Preview the landing page using the Preview button to see how it will appear to users. Once you are satisfied with the design and content, click on the Publish button. Before finalizing, set up tracking parameters if you plan to analyze your page's performance. After publishing, copy the URL link to your landing page for future use. Test the link to ensure that it directs to your newly created landing page. Monitor performance metrics in the HubSpot dashboard to assess lead capture effectiveness over time. Make adjustments to the landing page based on user feedback and performance data for continuous improvement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.